Gothenburg's Sol-Ross system brings real sunlight indoors using a Fresnel lens, sun tracker, and fiber optic cable. It produces up to 10,000 lumens to 4 indoor lights, covering 329 square feet. Mounted on roofs, it follows the sun all day without bringing in harmful UV rays. Natural gas prices are up 15%, so switch to a smarter water heating solution. These solar systems use efficient evacuated tube collectors, 316 L tanks, and are up to 92% efficient. Available in 40 and 80-gallon models, they include electric backup heating and may qualify for tax credits. Billions still lack drinking water, but Source hydro panels offer hope. These solar-powered panels pull moisture from the air, purify it, and add healthy minerals. Each panel can produce up to 3.5 liters daily. Turn your parking space into a power station with this solar carport. It fits 2 vehicles and includes 15 high-efficiency solar panels producing 5.85 kilowatts. That is around 5,000 kilowatt hours yearly, enough for a small home. With 16% of employees working from home, the Blip One offers backup power when you need it. Its 2.2 kilowatt capacity can keep a fridge running for 2 days, supports solar charging, powers household devices, and plugs into a standard outlet with no setup needed. Ridgeblade wind turbine turns rooftops into clean energy generators. Mounted along the peak of roofs, it captures wind to work. Its design blends with the building, works in turbulent weather, and includes storm-safe speed control. For those who can't install solar panels on their roof, smart solar blinds like Solar Gaps offer a clever solution. They track the sun automatically, generate electricity, and can power devices or send energy back to the grid. Air-cooled and water-cooled thermoelectric generators are built for different power needs. Air-cooled models use integrated fans and come in 15 to 45 watt versions for charging batteries and running small devices. Water-cooled models offer greater efficiency with 50 and 100 watt options that can provide electricity and hot water. Discover one of the most affordable geothermal heating and cooling systems. Dandelion Energy uses the Earth's natural energy to keep homes comfortable year-round. Founded in 2017 from Alphabet's X Lab, it cuts installation costs and lowers energy bills. Noise pollution is becoming a major urban problem, linked in Europe to about 50,000 new heart disease cases each year. A smart solution is a steel enclosure for heat pumps and air conditioners that cuts noise by 9 to 15 decibels.